What's up people, what's up viewers, this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Anyway, a mother and her 4 children were discovered with their throats slashed at their home in the New Road community near Chapelton, Clarendon this morning. The scene has caused a pile-up of traffic on the busy main road which links Maypen to Chapelton. A huge crowd of onlookers have since gathered. Now people, viewers, I can gather some more information, you understand, picture, video, whatever I can get, and then I forward back with an update on the video, you understand. So remember, it's very important for you to like and subscribe. When you subscribe, you turn on the post notification bell, and when I do an update, as soon as I do an update and upload it, you get that instant. So you see it, like the video, subscribe. Now just like how Uno I wonder what go on, why this happen? Maybe they want to know the same thing too. A mother and her 4 children, 4 little pitney, throat slash, gruesome. 4 little pitney, you know, a mother and her 4 children. Where the youth them could have do so. We understand that the mother can do something, but where the youth them could have do so. I'm pretty this, nobody no deserve for them life get taken away, you know. But remember, I'm not condoning any violence of any sort, you understand? No crime, nah, condone none. But me gonna say this. Them kill the mother and the 4 children. Why didn't you leave the 4 children alone? Why they never left them alone? Even though if you kill the mother, remember say somebody that you kill too, you know, but watch this, leave the youth them alone, no? You left the little youth them, why you kill the little youth them? Right now, you have to pray, you know, yo. Everyone a ton. So, a crime, violence, everyone a ton. If I know gangsters has kill gangsters, a man a kill police or a police a kill a man. Even see they even look at youth them when they involved in no crime and no violence and not do nobody nothing. Even them, not even them not safe. Not even them not safe. And that goes to show saying it really matter who you be and what you do, you have to just watch out. Watch yourself at all times. Be careful. You understand? If people, you have some people who want in an argument today, I want to bring vibes to you. Avoid them at all costs because you don't know when them are going to snap and cut your throat or shoot you and stab you and them look at something there. See, the 4 little pitney when they're involved in nothing. When they do nobody nothing. Them dead. Bumbuckler. Them not do no. Bro, now for avoid certain things. 4 little youth and do nobody nothing. They just so not even one of them, 4 of them. Them not do nobody nothing. But somebody kill them. So you know right now you don't have to do nothing for nobody kill you. This is evidence to show us you don't have to do nothing for nobody kill you. So for uno follow up argument and them thing, you better avoid them thing there. Woman or man. No matter who you have argued with, woman, man, even the local school youth them right now, be a knife, them bringing them bumbuckler back. Avoid any local contention you can avoid. Avoid it at all costs. Being a man is not for fight. Not for fight unnecessarily. You fight only when you have to fight. When you are back down at all costs and them still come out you have to fight, you have to defend yourself. Stand up and protect yourself and defend yourself. But when you can back down and just leave things alone, just leave it alone, just go on you now if you do nothing, straight shot can catch you. Another case, I don't know, straight nothing catch you, look at youth, a man come cut them throat. Now if can't catch nobody's body throat straight, a somebody have to come cut that. Yeah, I know you have some little people out there, them a viper, all them want to do a cuss and wah with every day and argument, avoid them, man. If you can move from the community with them, they lift up. But make sure you're not going to move from this and go in the same thing, but you just stay right there, so. You understand? If you're going in a better situation, do your thing. Because you make the sense you're going to leave from this and go into something worse, Behave on the local self, yeah, man. Yo, remember, this is your chain, and my name is your chain, and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell and stay up to date. As soon as we get more information, we go forward. Is it? Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself.